Hey there, fellow adventurers, and welcome back to A Typical Vagabond. So are you itching for a thrill? Ready to break free from the hustle and bustle of Lisbon or Coimbra for just a day? What's the plan, you ask? Well, before we go into that, let us welcome our new subscribers. And if you are new to the channel, you can call me Carter. We are all about diving headfirst into exhilarating escapades to unearth the planet's best-kept secrets. Join us today as we teleport to the mesmerizing Pombal Medieval Festival, nestled snugly within the majestic embrace of Portugal's very own Pombal Castle. Back in high school, I often daydreamed in class, wondering what it would be like to step into the pages of history. In music class, I'd envision myself strumming lutes and tambourines at a lively medieval fest. In history class, I'd imagine myself as a skilled blacksmith, creating legendary swords or charging into epic battles. Fast forward to today, and my dreams have become a reality. Join me as we dive headfirst into the mesmerizing world of the Pombal Medieval Festival, where history comes alive most spectacularly. As we wander the winding path up to Pombal Castle, we're greeted by a breathtaking sight at every turn. From jugglers and minstrels entertaining the crowds, to artisans showcasing their craftsmanship, there's never a dull moment here. Just like my daydreams from high school, witnessing the skill and precision of these blacksmiths truly takes me back in time. Seeing how these ancient techniques have stood the test of time is incredible. Amidst the festivities, the air is alive with mesmerizing rhythms and movements of dancers and musicians, adding a vibrant layer to the tapestry of the Pombal Medieval Festival.
Against people who got it, being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious.
Nós continuamos a ser, para quem já cá estava, os porta de atração. Para quem nos está a ver pela primeira vez, somos os porta de atração de Lisbon and Coimbra. E é com muito gosto que estamos a ser o segundo ano consecutivo no mercado mundial Medieval do Pombal. A melhor feira medieval do Conselho de Pombal. Ah, Pombal! É verdade! Obrigado. Gosta? Vocês estão sentados? De um momento para o outro estavam a dormir. Vamos então ao caravana e vamos a ela.
The festival's performance art transports spectators to a realm of wonder and enchantment. With each graceful twirl and intricate step, the dancers weave a story of romance, valor, and adventure, captivating audiences of all ages. And speaking of epic battles, check out these skilled swordsmen. Watching them duel with such agility and precision, it's like stepping into a set of a medieval epic battle. It's so exhilarating. Of course, a medieval festival would only be complete with a bit of archery. Let's say I won't be joining Robin Hood's merry band anytime soon, but I was able to hit a bullseye. Amidst the hustle and bustle of Pombal Medieval Festival, there's a charming corner dedicated to the timeless joy of wooden games. Here, festival goers of all ages can test their skills and compete in a variety of traditional pastimes.
É cansativo, não é?
Escrever aqui, não é?
Eu estive a lutar com a minha esposa à espada e ela ganhou-me. Eu sei que é muito cansativo.
Mas é assim que se faz. É assim. Não se preocupe, está seguro. Ninguém se aleijou? Então o guarda-redes foge da bola. Sim, sério, dá sim, força. Joga aí, força. Joga. A merda, bola ali.
Muito bem.
Não é preciso, eu levo, está bem? Obrigado.
Ai, opa! Credo! Ai, 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 ai!
As night falls, the atmosphere becomes even more magical. The air is filled with the aroma of hearty medieval fare, and the sound of merry laughter echoes through the streets. It's as if we stepped into a fairy tale. But perhaps the most enchanting aspect of the Pombal Medieval Festival is a sense of community. Here, strangers become friends as we come together to celebrate the rich tapestry of history and culture. Well, my fellow adventurers, our journey to the Pombal Medieval Festival has sadly ended. But fear not, for the memories we've made and the stories we shared will live on in our hearts forever. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and never forget to embrace the magic of the past. This is Carter signing off from the enchanting world of Pombal Medieval Festival. Safe travels, my friends. This journey as much as I did, please hit the like button. It helps me in the algorithms. And if you haven't done so yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to get more content. And until then, I'll catch you on the next one. Ata minha.